With tenacity, sincerity, and honesty being the core values of Hwacheon, we're now in Gwangju's facility, manufacturing facility, and we're going to take you inside and show you what the foundry has brought to the next level of machining.
I think the first word that would come to mind is admiration. I see a tight-knit, almost family-like group that is just pouring their diligence, their commitment, their effort into building a product that they're proud of.
I've really enjoyed the tour so far. It's just really great to see everything come to life. You know, back in the States, we're the ones behind the scenes putting in these orders. So it's great to see everything come up from the ground up and have all our dealers here to see everything in action for themselves.
The first thing I noticed, there's not a trash bin anywhere. And I think that's because the facility is that clean. They put in the effort to keep this place, I would say, like a medical lab. It's as clean as it could be. I don't imagine you could do better than they're doing right now.
Are you serious right now? Yes, we're in front of the Serious Machine 24K, a beast in the mold and die community and one of the most impressive machines here at the Hwacheon facility here in Korea.
Absolutely. I want to do a shout out to the Hwacheon team, to our guy Johan. This has been above and beyond. I would have been happy with much less than what we've been given here. Everything from transportation to making sure we're okay and enjoying the tour. That has been above and beyond. And then as far as their efforts to teach us about their product and what I'm learning here, we've got the experts with us. They're breaking down every little nuance from machine to machine. I mean, I can look at specs, I can look at data sheets and find it out on my own, but having the experts, the guys building these here from the UMs to the ULs to the UXs and every other machine in this lineup, yeah, I've been learning things left and right. It's like I'm drinking from a fire hose. Like, you know, slow down. It's been great though.
Our dealers are having a great time here. I'm looking around, I'm seeing all their faces, they're excited. I'm just so glad that they are having the time of their lives here and getting to see everything, the foundry and the history of Hwacheon.
Part would probably be seeing the individuals hand scraping the ways, just putting personal effort into it, taking pride in their work, something that, you know, you don't see everywhere. That care and diligence, you know, I think a lot of other builders just don't put that into their machines. The other thing is big iron. I'm a simple guy. I love big iron, and seeing some of the bigger machines and the amount of power they put into machines that's not necessarily needed, but giving the customer that capability, these machines will not quit. I mean, you're talking 70 horsepower on a VTL that has, you know, maybe a 600 millimeter chuck, and it's like that motor could tear your house off the ground, you know, if it wanted to. And they put it in their machines just so, you know, it won't quit. You'll get the performance you're paying for and more than that even. And other builders are just not doing that.
I think it brings a lot of value to have our dealers here. Not everyone can make it out here, so it's really great to just have all of our distributors out here in Korea, and I would recommend doing this more often. I can't say that I have one favorite part of my Korean experience so far because everything has just been so incredible, from the food, from the country itself, from the machine, the factories, all the people, the culture. It's a lot to take in. I'm so happy to be here.